Today we're looking at some of our discounted trailers we have on special. I'm Johnny, I'm with NC Trailers, and we are the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas. Let's go check out some of these discounted trailers that we have in stock. All right, checking out these discounted units here. We have a utility trailer with a side gate on it. This is a nice unit here. We have spare tire mount on it. It is a used unit. This is a 7x12 utility. This has your 3,500 pound axles. It has your lay flat gate here on the back. Side gate. This is great for side-by-sides, four-wheelers, general hauling, lawnmowers. You can do all sorts of things with that. You can load them on the side, load them from the rear. All right, our next unit here is another utility trailer. This is a single axle unit. This is a 6.5x14. This one has lots of landscaping accessories on it, from gas can racks, water cooler racks, trimmer and chainsaw rack, blower rack, 3 trimmer rack, spool holder, multi-tool holder there on the other side. This has a 3,500 pound axle. Again, it's 6.5x14. It's got your LED lights, ramp gate on the back. Nice unit there. It's also got some D-rings in the floor. And we've got 6.5x12 enclosed trailer. This is a 7-foot interior height. We've got a 3,500 pound axle. This has a ramp door on it, side door, flush mount lock, bar lock. That's a nice unit. Again, four-wheelers, lawnmowers, hauling tools to the job site, moving stuff around the house. It's a nice unit. Then we have another utility trailer here with wood sides on it. This one has your flip-up jack, sealed beam lighting, 3,500 pound axle. Got your nice steps in front of the fender there. Spring assist gate. It's another nice unit for hauling four-wheelers, lawnmowers, four-wheelers, things around the house. So we have several units on special that you should come by and check out at NC Trailers. You can check them out on the web at nctrailers.com. We've sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers since 1996. Family owned and operated. We are the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas. Call, come by, check us out on the web at nctrailers.com. We would love to hook you up. Thanks for watching.